Hi, sewing friends. You have heard me say 65 times. Welcome to my channel. This is Murr-Made Designs, and I'm Alice Murray. And we are day 65 of 365 days of sewing makes. It's like a 365-day fashion show. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all your comments, your suggestions. I appreciate them all so very, very much. And today I'm going to show you this cute little top. It is Simplicity 9018. Now you might remember back a few days ago I showed you a pair of purple pants that I made with it. And I told you then I had made this turtleneck. And I'm finally getting around to showing it to you. Well, let's have a quick peek at the line drawings. It's just very plain. And I'll show it to you, then we'll talk. Very green. Very simple. Makes my eyes greener. Kind of 3/4 length sleeves. Turtleneck. So the interesting thing about this material is that it is a rib knit. And so you can use it just for ribbing. I put a ribbing band around the bottom. Like you can use it for ribbing on the bottom of other things you make. Or you can make sweaters with it. And it comes as one continuous, like there's no side seams. It's one continuous circle of knit material. It's made like that. So I just laid the pattern on, cut out where the armholes would be, cut out the sleeves, cut out the neck, and sewed it on, and the band at the bottom, just to finish it at the bottom. Easy peasy. And voila! I have a nice, warm, fits good turtleneck. Just like that. So, yeah, I like it. It's warm. It's good for this time of year. And I like easy. Some things aren't so easy. And in my grateful thread today, I just wanted to tell you, I think the poppy campaigns have started up. Because I don't go anywhere, I haven't gotten one, but my mother has called me. She works for the Legion, bless her heart, and about getting our poppies ordered for Remembrance Day. So I hope that's something you're able to do. Hope I can get a poppy somewhere. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing, say it with me, sewing is so much fun.